Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unlock chat on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to unlock a chat on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And after that guys, before you proceed, you need to know a thing that is, when we unlock a chat that was locked previously, we will also be clearing out the chat. So to do that, you can see over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three dotted icon. Tap on it, tap on settings on this interface, and over here you can see the privacy option just below the account. Tap on privacy, and over here again scroll down until you can find the chat lock option available for us, which is the second last. Tap on chat lock, and over here it says the unlock and clear locked chats. Over here tap on that, and again tap on unlock and clear, and it will verify you by getting your phone's verification or your password. And after that, all of the chats which you had locked will be cleared and unlocked on the chat box of your account. And with that being said guys, this is how to unlock a chat on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.